What's good, YouTube? This is RPU here, and I'm back again with another video. And guys, I got the latest news from Flare Finance. I know you've been waiting. Like I've been waiting. We've been waiting for 2 weeks, trying to figure out where are our Songbird delegation rewards. Well, in this video, I'm going to tell you that Songbird delegation rewards are now available to be claimed in Flare Farms. Let's jump into this information. Follow the Songbird community on Twitter at SongbbirdCom. Songbird, the Canary network for Flare, the community of communities. They have over 37,000 followers. Follow DeFi Oracles on Twitter at DeFi Oracles, multi-chain decentralized finance oracle services. And don't forget to follow me on Twitter at RPUReloaded so you can get my latest retweets and updates of things that I think are interesting in the crypto space. Now, before we jump into this information, let's pay some bills real quick. If you ain't heard yet, you can now trade futures with your Songbird exclusively on Bitrue with leverage up to 5x. If you know me, you know two of my favorite words in this crypto space are collateral and leverage. If you know how to long and short the market, you can now trade futures with your Songbird exclusively on Bitrue. If you're interested, my referral link will be in the description of this video. Now let's get into it. Tequila Mockingbird asked the question, if wrapped Songbird is staked in Flare Farms, which I presume is automatically delegated to an FTSO and DeFi oracles, where do I see the rewards and how do I claim them? That's what I'm trying to figure out. You know, I was trying to figure that out too because today's Saturday. I got up this morning, checked my Flare Farms, didn't see no rewards. Checked my Bifrost, didn't see any rewards either. DeFi Oracles responded and said, the user interface for claiming delegation rewards is scheduled to be pushed in the next 24 to 48 hours. You'll see a claim button below the pool. Mark UK XRP says lies. There's no such button. What platform is this on? Because it's not on iOS. And Songbird responded and posted this picture right here. Delegation rewards, Songbird claim. Crypto Popo says that was for the D-Flare stakers last time. That pool is closed. Flare Finance couldn't be less transparent and won't answer anyone's questions. Crypto Chingies says, I've been staking for 2 weeks as well. No rewards available this morning. XRP Ripple guy and gal says, I also haven't seen it in 2 weeks. I got out of the Wrap Songbird and SFIN farm delegation on Wednesday prior to going to bed, waiting for the claim. And now this morning I'm back to Wrap Songbird to SFIN farming. I see in my Bifrost that I'm earning delegated Wrap Songbird this week and SFIN starting in the morning. Dado1 says 2 weeks, no rewards. Flare Farms do not answer any questions about this issue. Seems more and more like a swindle to me. We'll be reconsidering staking this coming morning. Tony says, I also find that after 2 weeks there has not been rewards for Wrap Songbird stake. I will remove all Wrap Songbird on Wednesday of past rewards and not made available. You guys are jumping the gun. Flare community says Songbird delegation rewards expected to be claimable within the next 24 to 48 hours. Songbird community says go to Flare Farm, scroll to the bottom, you will see delegation rewards. Note, Flare Finance are still building the user interface. Yes, I didn't see any rewards this morning, but I'm going to probably, let's see. Yeah, I'm going to stop the video right here and then I'm going to go into my Bifrost and show you that I did get Songbird for this week. I got about like 25 Songbird for my Wrap Songbird being staked in Flare Farms. I did get delegation rewards. So I'm going to pause the video right here and then I'll come back. What's up, guys? So here we are in Flare Farms. You see the Wrap Songbird SFIN pool. You see I have 5,600 Songbird stake, but if you see at the bottom right here, you can see delegation rewards. I have earned 21 Songbird for staking my Wrap Songbird in the Wrap Songbird SFIN pool in Flare Farms. So I did get delegation rewards for this week. So just to clear that up, if you guys go into Flare Farms, you go down, see your Wrap Songbird pool, you should see your delegation rewards at the bottom of the pool. You should see the claim button right there. You should be able to claim that Songbird. Let's claim that Songbird right now. So and voila, we just claimed our delegation rewards, 21 Songbirds for this week. Alright guys, now that you've seen that the Songbird delegation rewards are available to be claimed, let's continue the video. Anyway says, you know what to do now, peeps. Stake that Wrap Songbird for that 1 SFIN goal. Man, that's a great goal to have. 1 SFIN. These things are worth $1 million. And then they're going to be announcing more utility later down the line for the SFIN token. So you need to acquire as much as you can. 1 SFIN is a great goal to have. I would love to have 1 SFIN as they are worth $1 million. Man, I would be happy with just half a SFIN or 0.25 of a SFIN. That would change my life, man. So stack that Wrap Songbird, man. Put it in the Flare Farms. Get your SFIN up. TB018 says, I know I'm late to the party, but look, I'm on the board. So he finally made it to the 0.0001 club. Man, I'm trying to get there too, man. You know, you can't really see your rewards if you haven't gotten to 4 decimals. So you can see them, you just have to press the unclaimed to see them, but it's nice to be able to actually see them. And, he's got a nice chunk of SFIN right there. And so I'm trying to get there too. And with my latest edition of XFi, I am accumulating SFIN at a much faster rate. And I think I will hit the 0.0001 club probably within the next 10 days, because I think I'm getting 0.00001 every day. So if 10 days go by, I'll have 0.0001. The one says, if you are staking Wrap Songbird using Bifrost and cannot see your SFIN rewards in your wallet, you may need to add the contract address, SFIN contract address for Bifrost. Martini007 says, I added the address, but nothing is showing up on Bifrost. The one says, are you staking Wrap Songbird for SFIN? That's what I'm doing. Steve says, you need to go into Flare Finance app and claim your staking rewards or they won't show up in your wallet. The one says, I thought that was self-explanatory, but yes, you are correct. I should have made that clear perhaps. Yeah, so I added the contract, but I didn't see a SFIN wallet. But they're saying you're not going to see your SFIN until you claim it. So, but you should still add that contract address so when you claim it, you'll be able to see it within your Bifrost wallet. You see what I'm saying? Now, JC Collins gave some great insight on Flare Finance. Let's go over this quick thread real quick. He says, Flare Loans is a great DeFi tool, but please keep in mind it's new and bugs are still being worked out. That's the intent. Here's the issue. Canary Dollar is a stablecoin with a soft peg to the US dollar. Canary Dollar can only be created in Flare Loans by using Songbird and now XFi as collateral. You can take out a loan for Canary Dollar at a minimum collateral ratio of 110%. The higher the collateral ratio, the less likely your loan will be liquidated. Liquidations happen when the value of Songbird or XFi drop below the collateral ratio value. Both Songbird and XFi are traded on centralized exchanges outside the Flare Finance platform, such as Bitrue, while Canary Dollar is only traded on the Flare X decentralized exchange. Songbird and XFi having centralized exchange pairings with USDT. This is creating a situation where the loan collateral ratio and stability pools supporting the loans protocol are unstable. This means not enough Canary Dollars being minted to create enough liquidity to support the decentralized exchange. It's a loop which just keeps feeding itself. Some solutions are to get Canary Dollar on the centralized exchanges, launch Flare Wrap, and bring USDT and USDC liquidity onto the decentralized exchange, and or increase the minimum collateral ratio to 150% so it's harder to liquidate the loans created, plus other solutions. All have their pros and cons. The intent of this thread isn't to debate any of them, but to let people know it's not as simple as others are trying to get you to believe. Nor is it nefarious or irresponsible on the Flare Finance end. The worst thing to do is make a rush change, which makes things worse. This is the Canary Network, and we need to let the right people make the right decisions. With all that being said, I've played around in both Flare loans for Songbird and XFi. I've both won and lost, but I'm aware of those risks on the front end and want to be a part of the testing. Unless you have a strong understanding of how the platform works and accept the risks, please stick to Flare Farms and Flare X liquidity for the time being. The full Flare Finance suite is not even half launched yet, and there's a lot of testing and tweaking to be done. I just don't want to see any of my crypto family on here lose their hard-earned money because they didn't fully understand what was happening. There will be plenty of opportunities as the Flare Finance team works their way through the testing and further module launches. Know the risk tolerance and mitigate those risks. Have fun in the meantime. You are on the learning edge of something very new and very exciting. Wow. I should have liked all these as I went down the thread. But great insight, man. Like, I wouldn't be taking out loans on Flare Finance as it's brand new. You know, the price of Songbird is very unstable at this point. Last time I checked, it was like 8 cents. Great buying opportunity. That's not financial advice, but and like I showed you, XFi was down from $11, so that's not financial advice either. But he said you need to have at least 110 minimum collateral ratio to take out a loan in Canary dollars. So that means if you want to take out a $100 loan, that means you need to have $210 worth of collateral to take out a $100 loan. But that could be liquidated so fast, that's not even enough room, you know, because the market is so volatile. The market could dip so easy, and you could be liquidated off that $200 easily. So make sure you have enough collateral and do your own research. Like, when I take out $1,000, I use like $10,000 in collateral. So, you know, I have enough wiggle room to make sure my position doesn't get liquidated. So always do your own research. Right now, I'm just farming. I really don't have a lot of experience with the liquidity pools or none of that. So I'm staying away from that for right now. But that doesn't mean I can't get into them later. But understand that there is risk. Songbird is the Canary Network for Flare. It's an experimental network, and there are chances that you could lose your tokens. So understand the risks of the things that you're involved in. Flare Finance says CoinTiger X will be supporting the Canary Dollar USD trading pair. Right on time, right as we were just talking about getting Canary Dollar on an exchange, Flare Finance drops the bomb that Canary Dollar will be on CoinTiger. So a lot of people were wary of CoinTiger. You better start getting familiar with it now, because it's looking like a lot of Songbird related tokens are being listed on CoinTiger. Still no word for Bitrue. We're hoping for Bitrue, but still no word. So, you know, you might want to go ahead and make that CoinTiger account. CoinTiger says new listing. Canary Dollar USDT will be available on CoinTiger soon at Flare Finance. Here's the contract address so you can add Canary Dollar. You can add Canary Dollar to your wallet. So that's cool. You know, you can take out a loan from Flare Finance if you want to. If you know what you're doing, do your own research. You can take out a loan from Flare Finance at Canary Dollars, send that Canary Dollars to CoinTiger, trade that Canary Dollar for USDT, send that USDT back to Coinbase, and deposit it into your bank account. How easy is that, man? How easy is that? And then even better, Flare Finance says CoinTiger is going to list SFIN USDT on CoinTiger. CoinTiger new listing SFIN USDT will be available on CoinTiger soon. At Flare Finance, they have a contact track address for that. So now we have a place, we have a centralized exchange where we can go cash out our $1 million asset when we're ready. How cool is that, man? SFIN USDT. From mining the SFIN from Flare Farms to CoinTiger to USDT to Coinbase to my bank account. How cool is that? That's awesome. And last but not least, JC Collins says, excellent. The next logical step is to add Canary X to Flare X decentralized exchange at Canary X token. I agree. Canary X is a token on the Songbird network. We need to get Canary X on Flare Finance. You know, and then more people will get more exposure to Canary X. More people will get more exposure to the Canary X DAO. And it'll be great. You know, it'll add another token to the Flare Finance ecosystem. Now, before I go, I just want to show you one more thing from Canary X before I go. Should have brought this tab up right here. Canary X says, update. We noticed that the 10% transfer fee does not apply when you transfer Canary X out of CoinTiger to your wallet. This is a huge plus. It will be faster and easier for newcomers to start seeing their gains on their Canary X tokens. That's great. That's great. You know, it's like when you withdraw Ethereum out of Coinbase, you send it to a wallet, you know, they usually don't charge you a gas fee. And so Canary X is saying the same thing. Like, they won't charge you the 10% transfer fee from the exchange to your wallet. But if you go from the wallet to your exchange, then there's a 10% fee. So you can be insured. You know, you can stack as much Canary X as you want and then move it to your wallet, and you won't have to worry about the fee, you know, up front until you get ready to move it again. And so, you know, get as much Canary X as you want, send it to your wallet, and then just sit back and earn reflections. And so that's the latest news on in the Songbird community. Songbird delegation rewards are now available to be claimed within Flare Farms. Check your Flare Farms, claim your Songbird, and get ready for the next epoch, man. This is RPU, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.